So today I'm going to be showing you how I have been cleaning up my brows myself. I mean, we have been in this quarantine for, you know, quite some time, and I only really trust my girl in LA. So it's been about 5 months of this method, and I just wanted to share it with you guys in case it came in handy for anybody that's looking to clean up their brows at home and just kind of show you a little bit of my routine. So let's get into it. Do not get scared. We are real up close and purse, but I'm just gonna start by combing them up, and I'm gonna take these tweezers. I really like them. Some other personal faves are by Revlon, and obviously Tweezer Man is really amazing as well. This one is Be Beaut. I'll try to link them if I can find them. What I like to do is I just tug up and I start getting all of the stragglers. I don't really shape them necessarily because I don't trust myself. I just kind of like a bushy full brow anyways, you guys know this. And I pull like this way. I think it hurts less. Pulling it taut just kind of helps so that you don't pinch yourself and you can go a little bit faster. I'm gonna go to this side now. This one is like super scary, you guys. So like all of this right here, I'm gonna take out. Comb them down. I know this looks so crazy. And I can see where I need to pluck right up here. And then I'm gonna go into the unibrow. Got a lot right up in here. I don't really touch too much right here. Like, I just make them so that it matches up with like this pretty much. I know some people have told me like I could go like wider and it'll like really open up my face, but I get kind of scared, so I just leave it really natural, like where the most, like I have a lot of hair there, so like getting rid of that much hair, I feel like it would look really unnatural. So now that I took care of all of those little stragglers and hairs that really aren't a part of the brow at all, it's just kind of like down here, you know, I'm gonna just now groom these guys up because I have, like, this is a lot of excess hair up here, so I like to just back comb it, really see what the hair I'm working with. And with some scissors, you don't want to like pull them up, just like let them sit, or that's what I do at least. And then I just start by doing baby trims at the top. Not fully coming all the way into the brow, but just trimming the very, like, the very tip of it. In here a little bit too. And I stop about there, because I do like this part to be wispy. Just comb it. Just kind of helps to flatten them out a little bit. Mine are so thick. And then I'll comb down, and you can see that I have some hairs there that are really long. So again, I'll just trim those up. I can see it's now a few more up here that I'm gonna take out. Looks so much better already. Same thing on this side, and I'll show you the finished look. So now that I've plucked, I've trimmed, I'm gonna go ahead and use soap brows, which I have been loving for so many years now. I have a video actually on soap brows. Groom them up one more time, and this is gonna help keep them in place. I love my brows really feathery, so I love the effect that this gives, and it just keeps them in place for a really long time. So you can see, like, my eyebrows are definitely not twins. Still need to fill especially this guy in just to kind of get the fullness of this one. So once it dries a little bit, which it dries pretty fast, I'm just gonna go in very lightly with light strokes. Just fill in my scar. I also like to go just a little bit in here at the base to give it a little more definition, since I gave it definition on this side. So that is how I personally clean up my brows. I feel like this is actually quite thick for me right now, but because I am not a professional and I can't really see, like I'm really scared to mess them up and like make them super uneven, like more than that they are. So I will just wait until I can go see my girl back in LA or see a professional maybe here in Mexico. Doing this, it makes me feel a little bit better and not as crowded on my face, I guess. It still leaves it clean and open while still remaining very true to my natural shape, obviously. So get rid of the stragglers, trim them up, but don't go too far into the brow, and a little bit of soap brow or brow gel, and filling in with your favorite brow pencil. So I hope that was helpful for you guys. I got a lot of people asking me how I've been cleaning up my brows myself, so this is the quarantine brow glow up. I hope you guys enjoyed.